In this video, I'm going to show you how to install 3 glass panels sliding show door. The first thing to do is to open the box and check package content and hardware content from manual against what you received. Please call customer service if anything is missing or damaged and request for replacement. The phone number is on the bottom right of the manual. You can only start this job when this shower door is complete and in good condition. Please keep your shower door's item number on the package for future after-sales service or spare parts. Now it is time to do level check and plumb check on the surface you are going to install this shower door. If it is not perfect, you may have to make adjustment to make the installation looks beautiful. After this, make the measurement of the width of top and bottom opening of the installation area. Check this information against the instruction manual to make sure we are okay for installation. For example, the top opening is 52 and the bottom opening is 52 to 1/4. So, you will find the installation chart from manual, and it tells you that you need 2 pieces of wall jamb extensions. This shower door can be left-hand or right-hand opening installed. In this video, right-hand opening is used to show you how to do it. The next step is to find out where to put wall jamb. Normally, it is in the center line of threshold. Most people prefers this way. So you can draw center line from left to right, use pencil. Find out wall jamb for the left side and the end with edge to face inside. Let the center of the bottom of the wall jamb lined up with the threshold center line. Put a piece of tape around the wall jamb to help to make it stay where it is. Use level to check the verticality of the wall jamb and make adjustment until the air bubble is in the middle. During this operation, you need to keep the bottom of the wall jamb stays at the center line of the wall jamb. Use tape to secure it. Mark holes of the wall jamb with pencil. Take the wall jamb off the wall and drill holes on the marks with 1/4 drill bit. Use the same method to drill holes for the right side wall jamb. Apply silicone to the left wall jamb extension surface groove to contact with wall jamb from top to bottom. The next step is to put on wall jamb extension on the right side. Use screws CC and screw washer FF. Tight it up by hand and install 3 screw caps DD. Then you put right wall jamb and wall jamb extension on the right side with screws CC and screw washer FF. Tight it up by hand and install 3 screw caps DD. The next step is going to be to assemble the frame. Get the stationary glass panel C from packing and put on styrofoam. The side with green label faces downward and upward direction is inside. Find out glass clips L from accessory box. Put glass clips with the directions shown on video onto stationary glass C on both sides. Get top and bottom rail from packing. Connect it to the stationary glass with rail directions showing on video. The 2 screws GG can be put on by power tools first and tightened by hand. Do not put excessive torque. Install top and bottom rails. Using this method to attach upright profile to the rails. Please pay attention to the direction of the upright profile. Use 4 pieces of screws GG to secure it with the frame. Now the frame is ready to go. Put right side wall jamb on stationary glass C, the side with screw holes facing inside. Lift up the whole frame with green label facing outside, an upright profile on the left side. Insert upright profile into left wall jamb. You can line up first and push it inside from top, then push down to the bottom. Check the level of the top rail and make sure the width of metal on the left side and right side are even. Use 1/8 drill to drill holes from inside on both wall jambs, 3 holes evenly on each side. Then you put screws E and screw washer FF. Tight it up by hand and install 3 screw caps DD. Get glass panel E from packing and put on styrofoam. The side with green label faces downward and upward direction is inside. Cut water strip K to required length and install it on glass panel E between M1 and M2. Install roller M1 M2 onto glass E hand tight screws HH. Install roller M3. Then install roller M4. In this installation, M1 and M2 is the bottom rollers. Lift glass E assembly with M3 and M4 rollers on top and rollers facing outside, and fit M3 and M4 to the top rail inside shower room with glass clip between roller M3 and M4. Push the black button on M1 and M2 and try to squeeze rollers into bottom rail. If you cannot engage bottom rollers into the rail, use Allen key to adjust the height of top rollers to help bottom rollers to fit into rail. Get glass panel F from packing and put on styrofoam. The side with green label faces downward and upward direction is inside. Cut water strip K to desired length and put on glass panel F between N1 and N2. Then install roller N1 and N2. Install roller N3 N4 onto glass F. In this installation, N1 and N2 is the bottom rollers. Lift glass F assembly and fit N3 and N4 to the top rail inside shower room with M4 between N3 and N4 roller. Push the button on N1 and N2 and try to fit rollers into bottom rail. If you cannot engage bottom roller into the rail, use Allen key to adjust the height of top rollers to help bottom rollers to fit into rail. Use Allen key to adjust M3 M4, N3 N4 until glass panel E and F leveled and on same height. Glass panel E and F are free to move. The linkage is used to install on rollers of glass F by 2 screws. So when you operate door handle of door F, then door E can be dragged to move accordingly. If door E did not move when you operate door F, then you need to tighten those 2 screws with 1/4 turn, then test. Until glass door E moves with glass door F, you can also adjust screws separately. Use Allen key to loose inside handle, and then use screwdriver to take screws out of outside handle. Use the direction showing in the video to install 1 screw to outside handle first. Then, install the next screw. Make sure washer is inside the handle, then tighten both screws. Install inside handle, and use Allen key to tighten it. Install 2 anti-water strip D to glass door frame E and F, with lips facing inside, when installing outside of show door. Install another 2 anti-water strips from inside, with lips facing outside. Check to make sure shower doors close tightly and open smoothly, and door E to move accordingly when you operate door F. Clean the surface and apply silicone to the area highlighted in the video from inside. After that, clean the surface and apply silicone to the area highlighted in the video from the outside. Wait 24 hours for the silicone to cure. Then you can enjoy your shower enclosure.